Hello everyone, I'm Sanin and you're watching a fly fishing loyalty channel. Today we're gonna perform the oil change of the outboard engine Mercury 60 4-stroke. Also we're gonna change the gearbox oil. For most of the engines the procedure will be similar. Watch this video, learn with us. Here we go. We're gonna need 3 liters of engine oil, 375 milliliters of the gearbox oil. We're gonna need new oil filter. The oil filter I'm using is this third party. It's not original one, but it works perfectly on this engine. And also I'm gonna replace the fuel filter. Before we start, I would like to say that I'm not professional, I'm not an engineer, I'm just a simple amateur which doing all these services for my engine. I have 2 engines, so for both of them in my own garage at home. So it's handy to know how to do it, and it's also interesting if you have time to spend with your boat. Let's run our engine for about 5 minutes to warm it up. Here we go. Okay guys, the next step is to open the plug and drain the oil. When the oil is drained, wipe the engine and place back the plug. Replace washer. Okay, next we're gonna need to change the oil filter. Use a little bit of old oil for the gasket. And now we are ready to fill engine with the oil. Okay, now we're gonna change the fuel filter. This small thing located here. Okay, next we're gonna change the oil in gearbox. So here we have 3 plugs. 1, 2 and 3. First of all, open the lower one and start draining. After, we're opening 2 remaining. The washers we need to replace each time we're changing oil in the gearbox. Okay, next might be a little bit tricky, So you make sure you have already all your plugs with the washers. They should be on standby. So the procedure is, we're feeling through the lower hole until we see the oil starts coming out from the first hole on top. Then we close this. Then we keep on feeling until the oil will start to go out from the second upper hole. After this, we close the hole here and then we close the lower one. The tricky part is the bottle is very specific. So this part you can basically screw in before you cut this top here. Try to screw it inside, and when you see it's successful, then go back, and after that you can cut. Okay, then we screw it in. Nicely until it's fully there. And when you're happy, you start to squeeze it slowly and monitor this upper hole. Okay, I can see the oil started to go from the first hole. Now I can insert the first plug. Good. And then keep going. Don't push too hard. Okay, I can see the oil is here. Get ready my second plug. Now unscrew the bottle. And insert the first plug, the last plug for us. That's it. Okay, the oil change and the gearbox oil change completed now. It's easy procedure, but please make sure you always refer to owner's manual and use the proper spare parts. And one thing more I would like to ask, please like, share and subscribe my channel, as the channel is very young and needs a little bit more attention. Thank you very much for your attention today. It was Sanin and the channel Fly Fishing Loyalty. See you next time. Bye.